Our approach really is to make sure that they understand that they can be the captains of their own learning. It's their ship, and we just help to guide it through the sea. The Newton School is an educational approach that focuses on developing those 21st century skills. So we're looking at critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication.
Although we do have the creative curriculum as our base curriculum, we pull out the STEM pieces and the STEM domains of learning, and we walk the children through those pieces in a project-based learning environment.
Helping children to solve problems and to think critically about their world, to develop those executive functioning skills, really helps set the stage for later academic success and really future workforce success.
In a Newton classroom, the teachers are always listening to what the children's interests are, because tapping into the children's interests is going to help them to engage in a more in-depth way with the materials and with the subject matter.
So they're looking at their children as individuals, they're personalizing their learning, they are thinking about how to best develop what children need to know in the critical areas, language and literacy, social studies, math, science, all of the academic areas, but they're doing it through this project approach.
Everything that children do is through hands-on work. So play is still connected. So in the engineering process, after they would design their blueprints, they would take that to the manipulatives area, and then they could create using any tools that they would choose to design their prototype from.
We're going to work together in small groups to try to figure out how can I design a marble maze that a marble can roll through and make our own.
So every time a child runs into an obstacle or they become blocked, there is no failure. It is about thinking critically. How else can we do that? What else can we try? Here at the Newton School, we engage children in fun learning and active learning, where children are learned to intentionally and purposefully use materials that are advancing their vocabulary, advancing their math, advancing their scientific knowledge.
It really does work for all children, and because it is an individualized and really personalized approach, the teachers help to ensure that each child has the supports that they need to be successful. I love watching children who are engaged and excited to come to school.
The joy, the excitement, the love that children have for being here at Newton, at Community Services for Children, is endless. And it shows in their faces when they get off the bus in the morning, and it shows on their faces when they're engaged with the teachers, and when they're excitedly talking to their parents at the end of the day.
When they leave us, I am confident that they are ready for their next learning experience.
Hey, if you like that video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel below. To see more of the Peak TV, check out our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and catch us on WFMZ Channel 69.